Well, today I'm gonna pretend I work at Arby's. I'm gonna make me some roast beef. I'll take that back. I'm gonna make some smoked beef. It's gonna come from this bottom round right here. It comes from my good friends up at Porter Road in Nashville. It's dry aged. You know how it comes to them happy cows. They treat them all good and stuff until, that final day. Then they're, anywho, get to the side. We're gonna do a dry brine on this baby. We're gonna do equal parts salt. Worcestershire sauce, that just goes with beef. When I say we're equal parts, I mean equal parts by sight on this one. And for a little umami flavor, a little mushroom powder. Them three there gonna make a heck of a dry brine. Get her good and shook up. And you can see this meat's moist, all of its natural cow juices. And just hit this baby heavy. It's a big chunk of meat. It's kind of like me. And rub her down good. Make sure you hit all 6 sides. That thing is kind of a rectangle now that I look at it. Make sure not to waste any. You're gonna have to roll her around a little bit, get it all off of that tray. I tell you, I'm looking at it. There's a lot of powder, so it's not that much, or it's not as much as you think as a rub. So go through that process again. There you have it. This is what it should look like. All right, toss that to the side. What we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap her up in some plastic wrap, real good and snug, and put her to bed in the fridge overnight. You can go short as you want to. I'd like to go 24 hours. Let's get it over here. Here we are tomorrow. Hello. This is what it looks like in the plastic wrap. This is what it looks like not in the plastic wrap. You can see it's took on that Worcestershire powder, darken up that meat a little bit. Always give it the snort test. Does not smell salty, so we're going to add some more rub. This rub here is equal parts by weight. 4 ounces of kosher salt, pepper, garlic, and your favorite barbecue rub, which is Mojo. Hit her with I don't know, that's not a heavy. That's, about a medium coat. All those sides. Like it once again, stuff's expensive these days. Use all you can. There you have it. That looks good. Go outside, get her on the grill. We got this little slow and sear set up here for smoking. Had it loaded up with FOGO Charcoal, a little FOGO fire starter, and hickory and cherry. We're going to put the meat over here on this side where it's not hot. Get out that meth lighter, light up that fire starter, let her burn off. Get a little corner lit. I'm going to go ahead, put that meat on. That way it can come up slowly while that temperature comes up. Always, when you're doing this, probe it. Because we want to pull this baby at exactly 125. Odd numbers. Get that lid on, set back. Once it hits 225, let's check those vents down. This is the way mine check back. It depends on what you're cooking on, how you check yours back. You wouldn't check back a stick burner like you would a kettle. Anyway, 2 hours later, this is what you got. 'Tis done. Setting at 125. We're going to go back inside. You can tell. Nice color, nice bark. And it's even all the way around. We didn't open the lid on that thing, so a little portable grill does a good job. Snorts out good, and it has raised 2 degrees since I took it off. Let's get her wrapped up, let her rest for about an hour. While we wait, we're going to make up some fake Arby sauce. Like Arby sauce. That's going to consist of a half a cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about 4 ounces of good cold water, dash or 2 hot sauce, and another tablespoon of that good old rub that you mixed up, 2 tablespoons of molasses or brown sugar, whatever you got, and to finish her off, some of this here W sauce. It's like Worcestershire sauce, just a little more herby. It goes great with this sauce. Stick her over here on low heat for about 20 minutes. And just stir it occasionally. There you have it. It's time to get into the meat. Don't forget to remove the string because they tied it up all pretty for you. And this, if you had a meat slicer, this would be a lot easier. Just try to slice her up as thin as you can. It took a while, so I'm just going to move on here. Well, That's not thin enough, but we'll work on it. We got a lot of more meat to carve here, just to show you that inside. I done a good job. That's pretty. That's man meat. All righty, here you go. Here we have it, all sliced up, all good and thin, all good and juicy. There you have it. Let's give it that taste test. That's it. That baby is good. Let me cover up right there. 6-pack it popped up in there. Get you some buns. Like I said, this is my supper. I don't cook to impress. I cook to eat and eat good. Oh, we're not going to toast it or nothing. Just put that meat on that bun. And you can put cheese on it. You can put pickles. You can put whatever you want to. Put bacon on it. All you need, really, the meat. This awesome sauce right here that has become one of my favorites. Put that baby in the mouth. Let me just tell you, Arby's, you're taking applications. You know, they're opening one up here in town, so I may go put in one and I'll make a killing. Alrighty, that's it. Get you some meat from Porter. There's links in the description for all this stuff. Get you some, because it is awesome. That's it. Okay, you know, I appreciate you. Yeah, you right there. Mojo is out.